Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Universe Bound book box number 1, 2, 3. So this is a monthly sci-fi fantasy / mystery box book subscription box, I should say. So each package comes with, I think, 2 books, teas, candies, and other items. Like, I think there's a scented item in each box. They do ship internationally with additional fees. The monthly box for the US, though, is $32.99. You can also just get a one-time box. Like, if you don't want to subscribe, you can also do just a one-time box for $32.99 as well, if you kind of want to get your feet wet and see what it's like before you subscribe. I do have a coupon code. I will put that down below for you. I will also link to Universe Bound, and I will link to my full review, so you can check that out. We're just going to pop this baby open. I don't know what's in here. This is the biggest box yet. It looks very promising from the top here. We have our card on the back. They list each of the items that were included. We'll look at that at the end of the video, though. So, I see right here, it looks like coffee or tea, or maybe these are, last month they sent Lorna Doones. Those, I will be honest, I saved them. And there was this day where I didn't have anything else to put in my kids' lunch box. We have, like, bento boxes, so it's, like, small portions of many, like 4 or 5 items for lunch. And I was like, I don't have anything to put in there. And so I shoved those in there, and they came in handy. So this month we have, it looks like some sort of a shortbread. These have trees on them, though, and candy canes. So there's that. Oh, they smell good. I need them. All right. I don't know how they have this folded. We're going to guess. All right. Let's have a sip. All right, keep going. Woohoo, this box is full. Okay, I just want you guys to kind of see here. So over here we have Universe Bound Bath Salts, Necronian Magic Nanites, Ancient Alien Technology. Ooh, so those are like kind of based. Inside you will find nanites from the planet Necron, the origin of magic and home to the ancient alien people known as Enolarat. Nanites are hyper-advanced alien nanotechnology that gives the wielder seemingly fantastic magical powers. So that sounds fun, right? All right. There's 2 Noni biscottis in here. Oh, man. What kind are these? It doesn't say. These look like they have caramel and, like, see there? Hold on. Oh, my gosh. I need a little table right in front of me to, like, put everything on. Isn't that cool? Yummy. All right. Here's teas and treats. They have, this is different than last month. So it used to be like 2 little tins. One had your treats and one had your tea. I think they've consolidated. They have. All right, so you're going to open it up and see. Oh, this is like a cinnamon spice tea. This nice little container of, whatever. You know, it is a bag. Okay. And then we've got some tea bags. Ooh, that's cool. Always come in handy. And then tons of candies. It's usually coffee candy, but they also include like a Werther's Originals. I think there's 10 pieces in total. There was at least last month. I'm not going to count them right now, but there's a lot. I like these tins. I don't know. I keep them, and my husband gets mad because he's like, you're never going to use it for anything. But I'm like, it might come in handy for something. What could I use these for, guys? Tell me. I need to know. Give me an excuse that my husband will go along with. Just that's what I need. All right, keeping it real. Let's go. What is this? It's a soap, I think, right? It's like a blue moon soap or something. Look at that. Ooh, the color. Ooh, can you see all those like mottled blues in there? It's like the ocean. Very pretty. We'll look at the card at the end to see what all this stuff, well, all the different items are for. Universe Bound Candle. This is Immortal. So I think the books we're receiving, there's something about like the universe and like maybe a certain planet or something, and it's all themed based on that, but I have not read the book, so I don't know for sure. All right, so here's our candle. It's in this cool octag. I like to reuse these. That's what I reuse these for plants. These are really cool to grow succulents in. I just love the shape. I don't know why. I just do. Oh. That's like a musky, masculine scent. Ooh, I don't know those notes, though. So there's that. All right. What's this? Sean Blakemore. What are these cards? Planet Necron. Am I like missing? Do you all know what they're talking about and I don't? Because this is apparently something very popular. My husband will know. He reads a lot of sci-fi and fantasy books. So, okay, so there's that. They're like like a card deck. I don't know what that is. That's so cool though. All right, then we've got a bunch of universe-bound bookmarks. These are actually really cool. The one we received last month was really neat. It said something like, they have like these really cool quotes. Like this one says, that peace which is within us, we must experience it. And if we are searching for peace outside, we will never find the peace within. Which is like super cool, right? I love it. All right, just keeping it moving here. Okay, I think we're down to the books now. Okay, so this is, I think this is what, because look, it looks just like him, Sean Blakemore. This is, I'm guessing that's the same guy, right? This is J. Carroll Jones' Grid Traveler Trinity. So, after searching the galaxy for centuries, the Most High Goddess found planet Necron, the origin of magic. So this is what the whole box is themed around this book. They also discovered Captain Sean Blakemore is one of the handful of humans with the ancient alien DNA that can unlock the planet's vast powers. If you like fast-paced space fight scenes, story arcs told episodically with nods to the great space opera writers, wonderful character development, then you'll love J. Carroll Jones' fascinating world where ancient alien nanotechnology is the force behind magic and the good guys really are good. That sounds fun. Ooh, all right, so our second book and our final item, I believe. No, actually, no. Oh, there are 3. Holy smokeroonies. All right, there are 3 books in here this month, which is very exciting. Okay, so this is called The Killing Moon. My little squigglers are inside there. This is book 1 of The Dream Blood. This is by N.K. Jemisin. Following her Hugo Nebula and World Fantasy nominated debut series, N.K. Jemisin returns with a captivating new tale. In the ancient city-state of Gujarat, peace is the only law. Upon its rooftops and among the shadows of its cobbled streets wait the gatherers, the keepers of this peace. Their duty is to harvest the magic of the sleeping mind and use it to heal, soothe, and kill those judged corrupt. So this looks like a really long book. It also looks like more of a commercial. This is going to sound weird, but like if you look here, you can see there are reviews of it. This is more of an independent book just because it doesn't, I don't see any reviews or anything like that. So there's 2 types of books here, which I think is really interesting. And then our final item, and yes, The Witch's Almanac. So this is Animals, Friends, and Familiars. Ooh, what is this? So this is just like it's like the Farmer's Almanac, but for different like herbs and New World fairies and different, this is actually really cool. I'm excited about this. Being a compendium of ancient lore and legend, the indispensable guide and delightful companion for adept, occultist, witch, and mortal alike, contains herbal secrets, advice about animals, mystic incantations, sacred rituals, and many a curious tale of good and evil. So that is super interesting. I actually want to get out the card and kind of go through what it says. There. All right, so The Killing Moon is the ancient city-state of, we already read that. The Grid Traveler Trinity by J. Carroll Jones. That just basically tells us about that. Grid Traveler Trinity is a story of Sean's redemption from rock bottom to discovering humankind's true origins and possibly its inevitable future. The Witch's Almanac, founded in 1971 by Elizabeth Pepper, the longtime art director of Gourmet magazine, The Witch's Almanac is a witty, literate, and sophisticated publication that appeals to general readers as well as hardcore Wiccans and magicians. On one level, it is a pop reference that will fascinate anyone interested in folklore, which is like me. Like, I just think it's really cool. Mythology and culture. But on another, it is the most sophisticated and wide-ranging annual guide available today for occultists and mysticism enthusiasts. The Grid Traveler trading cards, a quick bio of some of the Grid Traveler characters. Most of the characters appear in the Trinity book, while a few will appear in the next book release / graphic novel. The universe-bound candle has a very unique scent. Immortal is what makes simple humans great. Clary Sage, Rock Rose, and Ylang Ylang. The cookies are Pepperidge Farm Chessmen. And then the coffee bean and caramel candies, you know that, you saw those. And then the tea is called Red Hot Hibiscus. Sweet cinnamon and tart hibiscus are blended to a perfect balance. Orange zest provides a fruity background. This tea is fantastic hot or iced and actually deserves extra steep time for its full flavor to shine. So there is that. Let me know down below what you guys think. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I will link to my review. I'll also link to Universe Bound. I'll also put that coupon code down there so you can check them out at a discount. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.